how to change the date and time settings in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to update the time manually or let Windows handle it automatically. From there, click on Time and Language in the left sidebar. After that, click on Date and Time on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see a toggle at the top labeled Set Time Automatically. When this is on, Windows syncs your time with an internet time server and keeps it accurate without you having to do anything. If you'd rather set it manually, toggle that off and click the Change button that appears underneath. From there, adjust the date and time to what you need and click Change to confirm. Following this, just below that, you'll see a Set Time Zone Automatically toggle as well. If you want to set your time zone manually, toggle that off and use the Time Zone dropdown to select the correct one for your location. Finally, if your clock is on but slightly off, scroll down and click Sync Now under the Additional Settings section. This forces Windows to immediately sync with the time server and correct any small discrepancies. That's how you change the date and time settings in Windows 11. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.